Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can get still images from CapCut. Let's say you want to get like, oh, that's nice. This is given, right? So I just want to get a still image from this particular, just this frame. I want to get a picture of this frame. So instead of you using, so I use CapCut, I use Apple. So you can use the screenshots, that is Command J and 4 to take a screenshot like this, or let's do the right way. Now let's do the right way. The right way is come to your CapCut that you want to take a picture. This is the picture, your frame you've chosen, and you want to take a picture. So you come to this three line on the top right corner right here and click on it. So once you come here, you say export from still frame. So once you click on that, then you see you have the option to select it as PNG. So you say PNG or JPEG. So you select JPEG and you say you want to import this project back into CapCut, then you do that. So once you click export, you're gonna get that. So you can also rename it. So that also helps us. You give it a proper metadata that can help you rank properly on your socials. And also, so you can choose destination where you want it to go. Mine I always set to desktop. So you can easily just click on this section right here and you select where you want your stuff to be saved at. So I hope this helped to let me know. So let's just quickly export it and see. I'll click on export and gone. See, it's taking the shot and it's back to CapCut again. So if you drag it right here, okay, this is just right here. This is the image right here. This is the still image, remember? Still, then this is the video right here. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.